Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm finna show you guys how to install Amazon wig. So as I just said, she just got this wig off Amazon. I don't know the exact seller or exact company, but I just remember her saying she got it off Amazon because I recorded this like 2 months ago. Anywho, first thing you want to do is lay that ball cap down. As you can see, I already did. I don't like to be repetitive in a lot of my videos, so I don't be trying to show y'all all that. Like, y'all, I'm telling y'all go get it. So I was using the Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive with the watermelon scent, and I think I used 3 to 4 layers of that, y'all. I'm not completely sure, but you just want to lay that thing on there, and then you want to wait till it turns clear to apply your other layer. Now I'm finna tell y'all, do as I say, not as I do, because I do not be waiting for them layers to turn clear, and I do not want y'all to copy off me and y'all lace be white. But yeah, I'm just, I ain't gonna talk too much during the video. I'm gonna just let y'all see what's going on, because I be talking too much. Alright, so y'all, you got some wigs that's a full 13 by 4 parting space, which means it's like 13 inches across for the forehead and then 4 inches back. But you have some wigs that's like 13 by 4 in just the middle part of the wig, and then like 1 or 2 inches on the side. Y'all, make sure you get the one that's a full 13 by 4 parting space. Alright. So here's the end result, and I hope you guys liked it. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you guys want to see from me. And sorry about the cluttered background, y'all.